Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So in today's video, I thought I would do a longer form video of this DIY Halloween costume mashup idea where I did Dorothy and the Wicked Witch. The idea was suggested to me by a dear friend of mine, and so originally the idea he gave me was he was thinking that half the side of me would be one character, the other half would be the other character. But I got inspired, and this was 2020, and I was just thinking, oh well, I would like to do something totally different. So the idea that I came up with was, first off, I wanted to look up a cartoon variation of Dorothy and print it out, and that's exactly what I did. And then I decided to take that and draw my ideas over top, and I thought the cartoon picture I picked out was perfect for this. I decided to go ahead and draw over top it, and to make sure that the images are much more clear, I go ahead and color over. And since the Wicked Witch wears only black, this was too easy. So I just drew over top what I was thinking, and then I colored it in. And once I figured out exactly how I wanted to go about it, then I decided to put it together with actual pieces from a variety of online stores, which unfortunately, since it was already 3 years ago, I couldn't tell you where I got my Dorothy outfit, but it is a 50s style dress. Now, I was going to DIY the ruby slippers, however, I actually ended up running out of time before Halloween that year, and instead decided to buy them, but they actually were so uncomfortable that I ended up having to wear boots instead. And you can decide to do the black boots or like a witch style type boots. That would be fine. Honestly, there's kind of a lot of leeway with this type of concept. So I decided to forego the green makeup, but I thought that would look really cool as a possible option. The ruby slippers could be DIY'd, but I did a cincher waist with straps in black, similar to the brown cincher waist I used for the steampunk costume DIY. And lastly, for the skirt part where it looks all torn, if you will, I bought this sort of long, stretchy skirt from Goodwill, and I decided to take a pair of scissors to it, and it turned out exactly the way I had hoped. So I was really happy with how this turned out. And of course, I'm wearing a black mask for the time of 2020 and to match my costume. I definitely ran out of time to do any additional DIYs for this costume, but I really loved the way it turned out. Let me know in the comments below if this inspired you to create your own DIY mashup costume for this year. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.